Hi guys, welcome to Bijam. I hope all of you have heard about kokedama. This is a Japanese garden art that is ancient old and tied into the practice of bonsai. Kokedama literally means the ball of a moss. Koke means moss and dama means ball. You can practice making the art of kokedama by yourself very easily with a minimal skill and very few items. The traditional art of making kokedama relied upon the soil called akedama and green moss, but these things are not easily available everywhere. So today we are making a slight different version of kokedama with the easily available ingredients from our garden, and that is durable too. It is tried and tested by me. As you can see, this is a 15 days old kokedama and you can see the new leaves on it. So let's see how we can make it. So let's start. So the things we need to make kokedama are soil mix, the plant of your choice, some strings, water spray, water and cocoa sheet. So these are the items we need to make kokedama. So as a first step, we will make a soil ball like this out of this soil mix by adding water to it. This soil mix contains 40% of compost, 40% of coco peat, 10% of soil and 10% of charcoal. We are adding less soil to this mixture because we want to make our kokedama lighter in weight. And we are adding charcoal because charcoal is a natural microbial and it will prevent our plant from any type of fungal infection. See, we need this type of texture for the ball. You have to thoroughly mix it. As I said in my earlier videos that I love to touch my soil, but if you don't want, you can wear gloves before making this ball. So our mixture is ready. And I am taking a handful of soil, and see, we need to make a ball of this size and shape. So our soil ball is ready. So as a second step, we are taking the plant of our choice. This is the plant that I have bought it from nursery and I have to unpot it. So I am going to loosen the soil from the sides of the pot like this because we need roots of the plant. So you can see all the soil is coming out and we are having the roots of the plant. We don't need this much of soil. So again we are just removing the extra soil because we need only roots. See, our plant is ready to get in kokedama. Now, the ball that we have made, we are just making two parts of it like this. And I am just fixing these roots into the soil ball like this. You have to secure all the roots. If you need, you can use extra soil to cover it because the root should be covered nicely and give this setup a nice shape like this. See, your row kokedama is ready. As a next step, we are covering this soil ball of plant with this cocoa fiber sheet. You just have to place the plant in the center of the cocoa fiber sheet and you just have to tie it. You have to secure it very nicely because when we water the kokedama, it might get loosen up. So see, I have made it 15 days back, as I have already shown you. So in this fashion you can tie it, or in any fashion you can tie it, or you can use any other rope instead of jute if you want to. And for the plants you can use cacti, money plant, lucky bamboo, or any type of syngonium, begonia. You can take any type of plant of your choice. So your kokedama is ready. You have to spray the water to the leaves, and for the first time you have to dip the kokedama in a mug of water for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take it out and let the water drip out. So this can be a family activity. You can even try it with your kids. Try to do it and post your pictures in the comment section. And in the next video, we will see some more varieties of kokedama that can be made at your home, and we will also discuss about the maintenance and care of kokedama. Thank you for joining in. Bye bye.